Looking at this problem, we are asked to look for the value of z, which is this. So what are we going to do to get the value of z? Let's work with this. This is angle on a straight line. So let us call this part x. So angle on a straight line, it simply means that 110 plus x is equal to 180 degrees. That is angle on a straight line. So it simply means that if we subtract 110 from both sides, x will be equal to 180 minus 110, which will give us what? 70. That is, x is equal to 70 degrees. So at this point now, we now know here to be 70 degrees. So we now look at this as angle on a straight line. It simply means that x now being 70 plus 50 plus z is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, 70 plus 50 is 120. So z plus 120 is equal to 180 degrees. At this point, we want to make x the subject formula because we are looking for z. So what do? We are going to subtract 180 from both sides. So that will simply mean that z will be equal to 180 degrees minus 120 degrees. Therefore, our final answer means that z will be equal to what? 60 degrees. Thanks for watching. Do well to subscribe, like, comment to the post, to the channel, so as to encourage me, to show that yes, you are really behind me. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in.